Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
And we are the TheRcSaylors. Today we have a really cool little copter that we wanted to show you guys called the V911. This thing is probably one of the best bangs for our buck that we have ever come across.
What did we pay for it? Like $65? Is that what we ended up getting it for?
I think so. After shipping and handling, with most companies online, you can probably have one of these to your door for about $70 to $75. One of the main features of this copter that I'd like to point out is that it is 2.4 gigahertz. That's one of the first things that caught my eye when I was browsing. Not only that, but it comes with a transmitter. And this is a 4-channel transmitter, and yes, the copter is 4 channels. So it's not just up, down, left, right. This has full rotational control on that 4th channel, which is right here. So this is a really nice transmitter for the price. Would I want to fly my $500 copter on this? No. But for this little copter here, this is perfect. It has 2 modes. You can have it on mode 1 for kind of beginner flying, and Abby flies very well on mode 1. On mode 2, this thing can do 360 rotations insanely fast. I was really impressed. It's so agile and accurate. At its flight, you can fly inside with no problem, and outside it can handle the wind, maybe about 10 miles an hour max, I would say.
One of my favorite things about any RC is how durable it is, especially since I'm a beginner flyer. And this thing has taken some beating.
I'd say we've crashed it probably between the two of us maybe 20 times, both on asphalt and up against walls, and definitely in grass. It smacked into it pretty hard and bounced off of stuff, and we thought, gosh, that had to have broken it. But we picked it back up and it still flew. Sometimes the battery pops out. That's about the worst damage we've done to it so far.
It's very fun to fly.
If you do happen to break it, at least the one that we got our hands on came with 2 spare props.
It came with 2 batteries, and of course it came with its own special charger to charge them. 2 batteries. So he gets one, and I get one.
Yeah.
And we both get to fly. And flight time is, what do you think about how long for each battery?
5 to 7 minutes or so.
That's pretty good for just these little things. So.
Yes. It only takes maybe 40 minutes to charge both batteries. That is exciting to me. They're LiPo batteries too. I'm going to go over a few of the technical things that I have learned about this copter since we've had it, and then we're going to show you guys this thing flying. We're going to show you Abby flying it and hopefully me flying it as well. It definitely has its own real tail rotor. So the way that it rotates with yaw in the air is by using the tail rotor. Also, the way it really gets its accurate tilt for forward, back, left, right motion is it has 2 steering servos inside the copter, just like a full-size copter would have. Absolutely amazing. To sum this up, is it worth the money? Would we buy it again?
Yeah, I think we need 2.
I think we need 10. So for whoever makes this copter, I think it's WL Toys or anyone else that's carrying this copter, send a bunch our way. We'll make more videos and we'll make it look awesome.
Amazing deal for the price, for sure.
Yeah. Let's go fly this thing. We'll show you guys what we're talking about.